Hi again, everybody. Thought I'd show you the parts taken out. I'm getting ready to silver solder them. I'll have to do this in stages because it's really cold and windy here. Today's New Year's Day 2018. So these are the parts that the adapters that go into the valves, and then the adapters for the 3/16 inch copper lines. It looks kind of cool laid out like this, so thought I'd just show you what all that looked like. And there's the part that'll go, the steam supply. Obviously I haven't cut or fit that yet. The game plan is to, I'll probably do this in stages because it's so cold and windy outside. I'll probably do these parts first, then I'll do these and that assembly, and then bring it all in. I'll let it cool down, clean it up, bring it all in, and then put it together and piece by piece put these inside the valves, tighten them down a little bit, and then put them in the brake valves rather, tighten them down, and then fit this assembly in place on top of it and get it just so, and then I can mark how I want the supply line going in there. And then the last thing I'll do is to cut that and fit it, and well, I guess while I'm at it I can silver solder that connection as well. So that's the general idea, and so part 7 or 7A perhaps. And thanks for watching. I will keep you posted.